Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. First, unplug the Dyson HS01 hairdryer from the power source to ensure safety. Remove the outer casing by unscrewing the two Phillips screws located at the base of the device. Carefully lift the casing off, revealing the internal components. Next, locate the motor assembly. It is usually secured with 3 additional screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws one at a time, placing them in a small container to prevent loss. If you encounter resistance, gently wiggle the motor to free it from any clips that might be holding it in place. Once the motor is free, disconnect the wiring harness attached to it. Take note of how the wires are connected for reassembly. If you find that the connectors are stuck, a flathead screwdriver can help gently pry them apart. Remember, if you're not comfortable with this step, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Align the wiring harness with the new motor and connect it securely. Ensure that the connections are tight and that there are no exposed wires. After connecting the motor, secure it back in place with the 3 screws you previously removed. Before reassembling the casing, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. If you would like, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. Once cleaned, carefully place the outer casing back onto the device and fasten the 2 screws at the base. Make sure everything is snug, as a loose casing can lead to performance issues. Finally, plug in the hairdryer to test the new motor. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson HS01. If you experience any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, by following these steps, you can efficiently replace the motor of your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. For those who prefer not to DIY, we provide convenient services with no calls, no travel required. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.